Hello, eggheads. I'm exploring this as an option. I don't think it's really my medium, but it's a medium, and one I haven't explored yet. One I've thought about exploring a great deal, especially watching the year-long project that was Zay Frank's The Show. It's really made me consider the possibilities of me rambling visibly for the world to see. I'm not sure anyone wants to see that, least of all my wife, but it's something that we might do. I've got a camera, I'm on the go, and not sitting down to write as much as I would like, really, at all. So, a lot of ideas in my head that I'd like to let out. And if this is a way for me to do that in anything resembling a comprehensible fashion, well, I think it's worth exploring. So, keep watching, stay tuned. I don't know if this will happen again or if it will happen lots, but it's something that might happen, and we'll see how it looks when it does happen. Until then, don't stick beans up your noses.